So I've been driving a daily a 2015 Charger RT for the past couple of weeks, and I've noticed that there is some chattering, clacking sound during acceleration. It doesn't matter if you're sitting on the driver's side or passenger side, you hear it from the opposite side of the car that you're sitting on. So it lets me know that the sound is coming from the center of the car. I'm not really sure if it's the transmission or the drive shaft, but I'm pretty sure it's the drive shaft. I don't have access to a lift, so I decided to go see my buddy Jimmy at Performance Auto, see if we can figure out what's going on.
Alright, so here's the OEM drive shaft, guys. OEM as in this is the original one that came from the factory when the car was produced. Alright, so as you see, as I pointed out before, this is the bracket, center bracket for the drive shaft. The drive shaft comes in two pieces. So when you have that clicking, clacking sound coming from the driver's side or the passenger side, as in you're sitting on the driver's side, you think it's coming from the passenger side, you sit on the passenger side, think it's coming from the driver's side, it's coming from the center. It's most likely this culprit right here. So the two-piece design can't be replaced, as in this bracket can't be replaced. So when it shears and breaks and degrades over time like this, you have to replace the full drive shaft. Now it doesn't matter if you are a slideshow guy, daily driver, burnout king, doesn't matter. This piece will wear out over time. And with this particular car, this is actually a daily driver. It's never been drag raced, never been slid or anything like that. Maybe some hard pulls every now and then, but again, nothing too major for a Charger RT, which is what it was designed for. Anyway, you have to replace this entire drive shaft. You can't just replace this part. And it's pretty simple to take apart, however it's annoying as hell, as in disconnecting the drive shaft in the front, disconnecting the center bracket that's underneath the exhaust. So you have to remove the exhaust as you saw, disconnecting the rear, pulling it out, put it back in. So simple but annoying. Anyway, there you go, there's your culprit.